I'm about to show you a rare glimpse of that broken air conditioner. Never been seen by the eyes of anybody but me. Because its only living area is in my room. And this guy, he's got a knob that's been broken off. Don't see that often on YouTube. Okay, so let's go see this guy. Not sure why he has that type of nose ring, but this is where the knob was broken off. Don't ask me how. I told you not to ask me. Gerald, shut up. Okay, now this is a very, very deadly machine. You never want to put your finger right up in the... Yes, a very dangerous machine. Hey Gerald, I'm gonna need some of that anti-AC venom. Thanks. Ouch!